Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you said good. Right on. So I am going to finish this trailer door today. We're doing all the body work, sanding, getting it all ready so I can paint it. I got to paint my gravel guard too together because they both need to be rolled and tipped with the Elect seal. And one of our subscribers named Alan, he left me a comment telling me that there's an event in Quartzsite, Arizona next month at a place called Dome Rock. And it's been going on for years, and it's like a 3-day event where a whole bunch of fiberglass trailers show up. And I'm sure there's going to be some oldies in there. And I'm all excited. So I've never been camping in the desert one night in my life. So this is all new, and I'm really excited. But now I got this 4-week deadline to finish up a lot of little things. And we also got a couple more projects happening, so I just got to try to make all this work. So anyways, let me show you what I'm doing. Follow me. All right, I'm going to hit this with 220 on our 5-inch orbital sander. Actually, see these little round holes? Air comes through there. So you see these holes? You're actually supposed to line them up if you could. A lot of people don't know that, but see that? Now it just helps. All the air can blow all the dust off. But if you just go like this and not pay attention, now you only got part of one, not even 2 holes. It's going to make a difference. So just got to be aware of that. There you go, just like that. See that? I'm going to turn on our giant fan too. We don't want any dust in the trailer. Okay, that's really high powered. Alright, I got it sanded very smooth. There is some low spots, but that's okay. I knew we needed to kind of build this up. But the first thing we want to do now, before we apply more body filler, we want to clean all this up. I'm going to replace the tape with new tape, and then I'm going to clean it all with acetone lightly, and then I'm going to apply my second coat. So one thing we want to do, we want to get all of our tape off. If you don't have a little tool like this, it's like a dental pick, find yourself one, and they really come in handy if you don't want to use a razor blade all the time. So one thing I unfortunately did was I had to sand into this transition, and it took some of the green paint off, but I'm not going to worry too much because since I decided to make my trailer door 2-tone paint, I'm actually making a piece of aluminum just like this, and it's going to come out right here, and it's going to go across my door just so it looks factory, because right now it looks unfinished. So I'm going to go ahead now and mix up my filler. All right, we're going to mix them up. Now this coat is a lot different. This is now this is like a skim coat, and all we're trying to do is lightly fill some areas that are a little bit lower, filling that area, but making it a little bit higher so that it could be sanded to the desirable spot. So what we're going to do is just mix this up, but then after this, we're going to start using our finishing putty. Also, now is not the time when you start getting into your third and your finishing coats, now isn't the time to be using like some of these that have like little cuts from razor blades and cleaning. This is the time you want to use a brand spanking new one. because we don't want any notch, we don't want any cuts or any lines or anything that's going to hurt our work. Okay, see, there's something right there. We're just going to have to sand that. It's okay, that's good for now. Okay,